Hello, today our topic is about surds and square roots. I'm gonna give you a quick definition about them and a quick example about how to simplify a surd using the surds laws. I've also left for you guys in the link below. I've also left for you guys in the description below a link for you guys to practice more questions about surds. So what is surds? So we know that this symbol here means square root. So if the square root of a number is rational, this is not a surd. So square root of 9, or it could be written here 2 also, it is 3. 3 is rational. Whereas if we have the square root of 7, this will give us 2.6457 if we use the calculator. 5 1 3 1 1. It's a non-ended number. So this number is irrational. So this one is called surd. But this one is it's not a surd because the answer is rational. So here, for example, surds don't include expressions such as the cube roots of 8 because the cube root of 8 is 2. So it's irrational. So this is not a surd number. The square root of x, it's defined to mean the positive square root of x. So we know that 3 to the power 2 and minus 3 to the power 2 both will give us 9. But always the square root of 9 is the positive number, which is 3. So the square root of a number is always positive. For x less than 0, the square root of x is not defined. Because we know that, let's say, square root of minus 4. We know that x to the power 2 is always positive. So there are no number to the power of 2 can give us minus 4. So that's why for x less than 0, square root of x is not defined. For example, here also, square root of 25 is equal 5. Even though 25 has 2 square root minus 5 and 5, the symbol for the negative square root of 25 is minus square root of 25. Let's move to the laws concerning the surds. So always square root of a square is a. Let's say square root of 9. So square root of 9 could be written square root of 3 to the power 2. Using that formula, we know that this is a 3. In fact, the square root is always, there are hidden 2 here. So here we can simplify that and can give us 3 here. The other law is square root of a times square root of b is equal to square root of a times b. So let's say square root of 3 times square root of 5. This could also be written as square root of 3 times 5, which is square root of 15. And square root of a divided by square root of b is equal to square root of a divided by b. So let's simplify that. Square root of 500. Or this is surd because the number is irrational. So now we need to simplify it more. So we know from that law here that we can write this as square root of 100 times square root of 5. Now square root of 100 is 10. Because 10 to the power 2 will give us 100 times square root of 5. And this could be written as 10 square root of 5. Now let's move to another example. Pause the video please and solve it for your practice. Square root of 18, or this is also a surd because this is an irrational. The answer is irrational. So this could be written as square root of 9 times 2, or square root of 9 times square root of 2. So now square root of 9 is 3, because 3 to the power 2 is equal 9. So the answer is 3 square root of 2, and 2 we cannot simplify it more. Let's move to another example, square root of 80. Let me know in the comment section below what is the answer for that square root. What is the simplification for that square root? Thank you guys, hope you enjoy it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel below and hit the notification bell below, updates on all learning content.